Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to charge a Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe. Plug the charger into the vehicle before powering it on and ensure it's in park. Begin with a full battery check, confirm charging mode on the dash, and set charging limits if desired. Use a dedicated 240V outlet for faster charging or a 120V outlet for overnight top-ups. Always follow safety steps and unplug when charging completes. Start with checking your charger type and cable condition before plugging in. Level 1 uses a 120V outlet and adds about 4 miles per hour, while Level 2 on 240V gives much faster rates. Public fast chargers vary. Verify connector compatibility and vehicle settings. Monitor charging progress on the dash or app and avoid frequent DC fast charging unless necessary to preserve battery health. Plan charging. Prepare your home charging area by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and turning off the vehicle. Inspect the charging port and cable for debris, then plug in firmly until the connector clicks. Set a charge limit such as 80% for daily driving to extend battery life, and schedule full charges only for long trips. Keep charging equipment dry and report faults to a qualified electrician. Also carry a portable charging cable for emergencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.